Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बअद. Good morning everyone. Today I want to speak about the important role played by Muslims in India's freedom movement. Muslims have always been a strong part of our country's fight for independence. From the very beginning, leaders like Tipu Sultan in the south and Nawab Siajuddaulah in Bengal fought bravely against the British. In 1857, Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal emperor, led the first revolt against British rule. There were many great Muslims who worked for our freedom. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was one of the main leaders of the Indian National Congress and spread the message of unity and independence. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, who is also called Fuente Gandhi, promoted peace and worked with Mahatma Gandhi. Ashfaqullah Khan was a brave Lashkari who sacrificed his life for our country. Inspired by the same spirit, Sayyid Tayyab Ji also contributed by helping design our national flag. The Khilafat movement, led by Muslim leaders like Maulana Muhammad Ali and Maulana Shaukat Ali, brought Indians together in the fight against the British. Lots of ordinary Muslim men and women joined in, facing hardships and even giving their lives so we could be free. Many Muslims also served as soldiers in the Indian National Army under Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, like Shah Nawaz Khan. All these stories show that Muslims, along with people from all faiths, stood together with courage and unity to win independence for our motherland. Let us always remember and respect their sacrifices. Thank you. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ. وَالسَّلَامُ عَلَيْكُمْ.